Hey, want to learn how to make cool 3D product images for your website like this, and this, and this? Let's do it in just a few seconds. First, we're going to go to Canva and search for templates like ebook mockup. You can also do things like course mockup or webinar mockup, whatever it is you're making. Go through the templates and pick out one you like. Once you've chosen one you like, you can edit it and customize it to make it match your product. I'm going to delete this text, delete these background colors, and add my own images here. When you're all done, you can click Share, Download, and make sure to download it with a transparent background. Now in the Podia website builder, click the plus sign, and you can add an image section or a featured product section or any other type of section you'd like with your image. So I'm going to add an image section, and in the image spot, I'm going to upload the graphic that we just made. Then in the Design tab, we can customize the width, the layout, and other details for this section. We can even add a background image, and it will show through on this image because we have the transparent background. So here's how that background image looks with a light theme, and here's how it looks with the dark theme. You can use these 3D style images anywhere you like on your website. You can make them for your products. You can use them just to give your website a little extra flair. And this is all free to do in Podia. You can build your full website, blog, and landing pages on the free plan, and we can't wait to see what you make.